This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by joining Family Sharing and asking the organizer to add you as a child account. This lets Apple Cash Family be enabled. Once done, request Apple Cash in Wallet and wait for organizer approval, because they must accept terms and link a funding source. Make sure your device is updated and signed into iCloud with your child Apple ID. This keeps controls intact while allowing you to receive and hold Apple Cash for everyday use. After activation, add money to Apple Cash from the organizer's linked debit card or receive send from family. You can also use the balance for purchases with Apple Pay. Once set, tap your Apple Cash card in Wallet to view balance, transactions, and move money to a bank. Make sure to review spend limits and controls. Parents can require approvals, and you should track transactions to avoid surprises and learn good money habits from small daily use. To finish, transfer funds to a bank by adding an eligible debit card in Wallet and initiating a transfer. Standard transfers take 1-3 days, while instant transfers cost a fee. If a transfer or payment fails, first update iOS and confirm you're signed into iCloud and Messages. Next, verify the organizer's funding card and bank card support ACH. If issues persist, ask the organizer to review family settings and contact Apple support. Most problems stem from account or card mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.